I'm Buzzrbot, and welcome back to Robot Reacts. Today's video we have the real life Blade, Agent Wolf. Let's get into the video.
You got 35 with
Look at all that gear.
right now. What is that?
Oh, ooh.
Oh. That boy, that is a monster.
Samurai sword. He got a kunai? He got a ninja kunai?
Hold on, wait. Let him show.
Is that a revolver? Oh, whoa!
Good, man. Good, we got the black RoboCop right here in the flesh. You don't play with this nigga, good.
Alright, man, keep it going. We ain't got to talk about it.
Don't play with him, good. He gonna kill you, gonna stab you, good. He gonna shoot you, good. He don't
Yo! That could not be legal.
What else you got, man? Man, what else you got, man? Man, you ain't got no gun in your shoe.
Oh, there go them knuckles.
Red knuckles.
He got the knucks. Is that a snakeskin? Is that a snakeskin lining jacket? Yo. Oh, got the Wolverine claw.
You a black angel, you a black angel,
I bet you can't get a
Oh.
This nigga got an elephant.
You got an elephant gun.
This nigga got the first gun to kill the devil.
You got the flashlight.
Check that shit. That boy got
With the scope, with the
night infrared.
Heat, night vision, infrared, scope on the revolver. Yo.
It might be on the floor. Did you pick it up on the floor when it hit the
Look at all the pockets he got. Another blade. Yo. He got so many weapons on him, he might take the real blade. I'd like to see him against the John Wick trainer. I'd like to see if his skills could take out or be stopped by the John Wick training cop. That's what I want.